FightCamp Elite Home Boxing App. The pros, the cons. Most people think you need a boxing gym and a coach to train like a pro. But with the FightCamp Elite Home Boxing App, that's no longer true. This high-tech system brings the energy, skill and sweat of a real boxing class straight to your home. So, is it a knockout or just hype? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. FightCamp's biggest advantage is its immersive training experience. You get real punching bags, gloves and motion sensors that track your punches, speed and intensity. Every jab, cross and hook counts toward your stats, and that's where the motivation kicks in. The companion app features hundreds of workouts led by professional fighters and trainers. You'll find boxing, kickboxing and body-weight conditioning classes that are suitable for all levels. The energy is contagious and the music-driven workouts make it easy to stay engaged. Another standout is the data tracking. The app records punch volume, punch speed, and even estimated calories burned, helping you compete with yourself or others on the leaderboard. It's fitness gamified and it works. Now for the cons. The initial equipment setup can be expensive and the subscription adds an ongoing cost. You also need enough space for the bag and movement. While the boxing experience is phenomenal, users looking for strength training or recovery features might find it limited. In conclusion, the FightCamp Elite Home Boxing App delivers a thrilling, full-body workout that builds strength, stamina and confidence. It's perfect for those who want to train hard, punch stress away, and have fun doing it. If you're ready to bring the ring to your living room, FightCamp might be your next best round.